Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Improving the Cloud Chamber. The article discusses an improved miniature cloud chamber that can be easily replicated using a 3D printer and common components. The build uses a Peltier module, a CPU cooler, an aluminium plate, thermal paste, and headlight film. The high voltage comes from a sacrificed mosquito swatter, and the power input is any 12 volts supply. Cloud chambers were used in the early 20th century to visualize ionizing radiation by creating trails of tiny liquid droplets in a supersaturated vapor of alcohol or water. Charged particles passing through the chamber leave visible condensation trails. The article states that the cost of the materials is under $100, and while the 3D printed parts are not freely available, there are enough pictures provided to work out the design yourself. The author also mentions that there are other designs, such as Peltier-based and simple plastic bottle-based cloud chambers, that can be built for even less cost. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.